This is where your hail's gonna be. All right.
That's a severe thunderstorm warning again. Yay! Woohoo! Let's go! Yay!
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Washington County in
How many
southeastern
counties?
Wisconsin. Until
By the way,
8:15 p.m.
Streeter, you're under a severe
At
thunderstorm warning. You're getting
7:45
hit by a
p.m.,
little
severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cedarburg to Butler to near New Berlin, moving north at 60 miles an hour.
How many?
So don't let it go down
60
in
miles an
Streeter.
hour
Wind gusts.
Stronger storm down here.
Source, radar indicated.
Towards you.
Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding.
It used to be a long alert.
Locations
This
impacted
watch be over 2
include
minutes.
Milwaukee, Waukesha, West Allis, Wauwatosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Menominee Falls, Muskego, Mequon, Cudahy, Whitefish
We
Bay,
are on our
Greenville,
morning now.
Pewaukee, Brown Deer, Grafton, Cedarburg, Port Washington, Sussex,
All right, let's
and
come up here
St.
to
Francis.
Milwaukee.
Other landmarks included are the following locations: Schlitzow Nature Center, Border Botanical Gardens, General Mitchell International Airport, Timmerman Airport, Frodert and the Medical College, and Fisher Forum.
Bro.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Right now.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin.
Brookfield, New Berlin, and Menominee Falls are all in this severe thunderstorm.
It's a doubleheader again!
We got strong winds coming in now.
What's this one for?
Once again, get indoors and away from windows. That's the main thing that we got to do. This is what it looks like in Milwaukee right now.
Special marine warning. Wow.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Wind Point, Wisconsin
How much
until
time?
9:15
Jesus,
p.m.
criminies.
So get
At
indoors away from windows.
7:45
Lots of
p.m.,
lightning with this
strong
one, too, so
thunderstorms
get ready
were
for that.
located along a line extending from Nearport, Washington to Milwaukee
Do
to
not
7
give me
nautical
another-
miles west of Oak Creek, moving northeast at 55 knots.
For Greentown.
Hazard,
Get
wind
indoors away
gusts
from
to
windows
40
over
knots
there.
and small
And then,
hail.
we
Small
are
hail,
still watching
source,
severe thunderstorm
radar.
towards Angola.
Impact.
Somebody out here
Small
says,
craft could be damaged
always
and briefly
maximum
higher winds
preparedness,
and suddenly
minimum
higher
scaredness.
waves.
That's right.
Locations
You wanna
impacted include
prepare-
Port Washington. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin.
Out here in Angola.
Bro.
The National Weather Service in